Beautiful viewers, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess-Tech here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can add cards to your YouTube videos. Okay, cards is just a means YouTube use to suggest your videos to viewers. Okay, it can appear 30 seconds in your videos. If you like, you can shift it to 40 seconds, 30 seconds, or 35 seconds, 45 seconds. Okay, let's head straight to the tutorial proper. As always, please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like the video. If you are more generous, please drop a comment. Okay, we are going to use YouTube Studio desktop site. You have your Google Chrome, head over to Google and type YouTube Studio desktop site. Here I've been using it frequently, so I'll just tap on this second option and you long press on this first option and tap on open a new tab. So if you tap on get the app, it will not work perfectly for you. It will take you directly to the YouTube Studio app. Okay, so let's select this second option down here where it reads continue to studio. You tap on continue to studio. It will open your dashboard like this. Okay, even if you have already posted a video, you can add cards on it. Okay, so now I'm going to zoom this one so you can see exactly what you are going to do. So like for this video, you come straight to content where your videos are. You select the content, and I want to use this video. Tap on it and tap on the pencil. Here you will see end screen. You can be able to add end screen and cards. You will see card option here. Have you seen it here? And tap on card. So this is how it gets interesting. Okay, so now you can add video, you can add playlist, you can add your channel, you can add links. Okay, for me, I'm not eligible to add links for now because I haven't reached the threshold. Okay, for me to add links. So now I want to add a video for this tutorial because we are going to do video as a link. So for this tutorial, I'm going to add the video as card. Okay, on this particular video. So now let's select here video, and it will open all of my content that I've created. You can choose a specific video that you want to recommend to your viewers. Okay, remember I told you card is a means of recommending another video to your viewers. Okay, so once your video will be playing, you see a link up there where if you tap on that link, it will take you directly to this video. Okay, so you tap on this video, this first one. I want to add card on it. You see I've already added the card on it. If you want to change the text size and the font of the text, you can change it here. And now you move this one 30 seconds. Okay, you hold this one and drag it. I'm using my finger to drag it. So let's say 30 seconds. Okay, you move it here straight 30 seconds to your video. Once your video reach this side, you will see this link will appear. Okay, so once you are done, make sure you saved it. Okay, once you are done, make sure you save it. As you can see, it has already set already. You see here, where the arrow is pointing at here, you see the link. So if my video starts playing, you see this one, you saved it. Okay, so once my video played for like 30 seconds, you will see this card appearing at the top of the video. Okay, so now I'm going to save this. You save this. So you see guys, it's so easy for you to add cards on your YouTube video. So now if I play this particular video, now let's go back. So now if I go to YouTube and search for this video, and play it, you will see let's see. So guys, as you can see at the top right hand side of the video, you will see the card has already appeared here. So this is how easy it is for you to recommend your videos to viewers. Okay, so guys, if you find this tutorial very useful, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like the video. Okay, bye, see you in my next tutorial.